Cameron, how about you stay on the grass, okay?
Yeah.
Stay down on the grass.
The deck's broken, guys. Here.
Hey.
The butterfly thing for you guys.
Run!
You guys go run. Go run.
Run, 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 run. Oh.
Don't let me forget about the potatoes like I did that roast last time you were out here. Burnt it to a little black. No, every box I bring out isn't for you.